Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Laura and today I would like to show you the new Madam Glam nail drill mini polishing pen. It comes in a nice box with instructions where you can find all the technical specifications and informations on how to use it. Here it is, the pen. The material looks very sturdy and it is in a beautiful metallic pink. It has a USB charging system. You find it in the box. With a USB charging, you don't need to buy a conversion socket. Moreover, you can use it all over the world, wherever you are. I think it's very convenient. In the box you also find a ceramic bit. You remove the silicone cap and push the bit inside. Now it is ready to be used. The use is also very simple. You click once to switch it on and off. You click once to turn it clockwise. You click twice to turn it anti-clockwise. Off to turn it off, of course. It has a LED light. Very useful if you are in a place with low light and you really need to see what you are doing. The bit is made of premium ceramic material. It looks sharp and durable. It has an excellent heat dispersion, which makes it safer for your nails. If you are interested in this product, you can use my coupon code for a discount. Now for the removal tutorial. Please keep in mind that I am not a pro and I am just going to show you how I use this product. On my nails there is a base coat, a builder gel in the color Shale Pink, 2 coats of color in the color Super Busy, and a no wipe top coat. I start very lightly. You don't need to apply a lot of pressure. I'm using this tool mostly to get rid of the top coat and the color layer. Now I'm going to pause the music so you can hear the sound. Here it is, the sound of the drill. The round tip makes it easier to work around the cuticles. I apply a little pressure following the natural curves of the nail. As you can see, the builder gel is starting to show. I keep going until I reach the builder gel layer. When I'm done, I soak off the rest of the gel as I usually do. So So I hope this review and mini tutorial was useful. I will leave all the link below. Thanks for watching. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Bye!